Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Mass Gainer Protein Powder. Mass gainers are specialized supplements designed to help you increase your caloric intake and support muscle growth, especially if you find it challenging to eat enough whole foods. They are packed with a blend of macronutrients, offering a convenient way to add hundreds, sometimes even over 1,000, calories per serving to your diet. This makes them a valuable tool for those aiming to gain weight and build muscle mass effectively. When selecting a mass gainer, pay close attention to its ingredient profile. A good formula will feature a blend of high-quality proteins, often including fast-acting whey and slower-digesting casein, to support sustained muscle repair. Crucially, it should also provide complex carbohydrates like maltodextrin or oat flour for energy, alongside healthy fats such as medium-chain triglycerides, or MCT, to boost calorie content. Some also include essential vitamins and minerals for overall well-being. Choosing the right mass gainer depends on your individual goals and dietary needs. First, determine how many extra calories you require daily to achieve your weight gain targets. Then, compare the protein to carbohydrate ratios. Some gainers offer a 1-to-1 ratio, while others might be 1-to-3, suiting different metabolic rates. Always check for potential allergens or dietary restrictions, such as lactose. Finally, prioritize products from reputable brands that offer transparent ingredient lists and third-party testing. To maximize the benefits of your mass gainer, timing and consistency are key. Many find it effective to consume a serving post-workout to aid recovery or between meals to boost overall caloric intake. You can mix it with water for a lighter option or milk for additional calories and protein. Remember, these are supplements, not meal replacements. Always prioritize whole, nutritious foods. Adjust your serving size as needed to align with your specific caloric and macronutrient goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.